welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. So today's video, I am doing a DIY farmhouse wall decor. I actually picked up a huge frame from Goodwill for about $5, and that's pretty much all I spent on this little DIY because the rest of the stuff I already had in hand. I'm trying not to go to the stores still, just to be careful on the safe side and not pick up anything. So if you want to see what I did to redo this frame and make it into a nice wall art, please keep watching. Everything will be listed down below for all the materials needed, and yeah, enjoy the video. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm just taking my Rust-Oleum chalk paint and linen, and this brush that I picked up at Michael's is for chalk painting. I've used it in many other videos of mine, and I am going to paint the frame. I actually did 3 coats of this. I made sure that I got all the edges on the inside and also on the outside. Now I'm just getting a 220 piece of sandpaper and just making it look rustic and sanding it down in certain areas where your normal wear and tear would go. Now I'm just taking a dollar store sign, and I'm just using black regular craft paint and a sponge to paint it black. You can spray paint this. I didn't really feel like going outside to spray paint it, so I just used what I had in hand. And this original DIY, I actually wanted to put some Velcro in the back of this sign and also on the frame, but I couldn't find any. But I wanted to do that so that way the sign could be interchangeable, so maybe something that you can try and do yourself if you have any in hand. Now I'm just taking the back of that original poster that was in this frame, and I'm going over it with the same chalk paint, and I did about 3 coats. I didn't really focus too much on the direction of painting until the end. I wanted to make sure that I was painting the same direction as you would if you were painting wood. So as you could see, I was trying to do it horizontally instead of vertically. Now I'm just taking that same black craft paint and also mixing it in with the chalk paint to make like a gray color, and now I'm going to try and make the piece look like old wood. And I'm taking this random brush that I cut up, and I've used it in other projects, and it looks more like gritty, so it's not perfect strokes. And now I'm just using a ruler to make all of my lines so that it will look like planks, and just taking my pen and making the line. You could use paint or a thicker marker to make the lines stand out, but honestly I thought the pen marks looked fine and still made it look like wood. Now I'm just taking this hoop arrangement that I made. I didn't do a tutorial for this simply because there's so many out there, and I just took my E6000 glue and glued the top of the ring to the poster, and I left it alone until the next day, and it stayed pretty well. And I also glued down the welcome sign to the board as well. After letting it dry, your art is now finished. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like these types of videos and I can keep making them. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when my next video is up. Until then, guys, thanks.